We out here.
Yup.
Gang gang.
Yerp.
Miami, University of Miami, UM.
305.
Hurricane Invitational.
Yeah, catch us going sub 4, baby. Sub 4.
This boy ran 4:29 last week. It's alright, bro. He gonna get it. We got Cole back there too.
Okay, there's our bus, man. Look at that.
You know, we finna ride out, hit up the crib, run some fast times.
Yup, you already know.
Pitiful. Instagram, I'm back, yo. Back then, they napped on me. Now they all just act on me. Now I'm out there all on me. Pull out the Snapchats on me. I ain't got no Snapchat, homie. I think it's too personal. That's what I got Twitter for. Instagram, I'm back, yo. Back then, they napped on me. Now they all just act on me. Now I'm out there all on me. Pull out the Snapchats on me. I ain't got no Snapchat, homie. I think it's too personal. That's what I got Twitter for. Instagram, I'm back, yo. Like flex on you haters. Hi haters. This is my world, so it's all in my favor. I like all girls, yeah, all type of flavors. But that don't matter, cause I just got my baby. Put her right there, Mercedes. Oh, I don't like the Navy. For that girl to the sun done, #1 like I'm a great. Boy, you said that you made me. Go ahead, make another one. Do what I want, cause I'm trusting none. I'm a lover till the love is done. Took your girl, she ain't try to run. Hit from the back so her legs get numb. Hit from the back so long that my own legs don't end.
How you feeling, man?
Man, I'm feeling great out here in the crib. My boy, my big dog right here. Big dog Austin.
Oh yeah?
I know what it is. I came with Dog Doe.
What's good, Danny?
See, he knows everyone here.
Chats on me. I ain't got no Snapchat, homie. I think it's too personal. That's what I got Twitter for. Instagram, I'm back, yo. Back then, they napped on me. Now they all just act on me. Now I'm out there all on me. Pull out the Snapchats on me. I ain't got no Snapchat, homie. I think it's too personal. That's what I got Twitter for. Instagram, I'm back, yo. Boy, you said that you made me. Go ahead, make another one. Do what I want, cause I'm trusting none. I'm a lover to the.
Excuse me, sir, I need you to get out of the way. Excuse me, sir. All right, Joey. How did the race go?
Well, you know, I PR'd, but I still ran slow, so I don't know.
Yeah?
You know what? 5K man coming up. Wait on it.
Hey, you
14:10.
What about you, Cole? How was that race, man?
Hey man, I did my best.
That's all that matters.
Yeah, and I beat you, so.
Just want to say to the camera that I lost to Big Dong. Sadly, Big Dong.
Big Dong.
He donked me.
Man.
Can we get his results, Dong's results put up here, please? Thanks. Is that so, Joe?
Sun-kissed.
Hey man, we came out here, drove 2 hours to run a 4-minute race.
Did I?
I don't know why they pay to do this stuff.
How was that race for us? Talk about it.
Alright man, so I took out that first, I think I led for 8, did I lead for 8? After we hit 800, I think Austin passed me and like 2 other kids. Then I was sitting comfortable, Bryce passed me, I was like, oh no, here we go again. And you know, 3rd lap starts, and I'm chilling, sitting on Bryce's heels, past Bryce, finally. And then, this kid comes so fast around that corner, I felt the wind off him.
Talk about me.
No, bro.
Dude, Cole Prime. Cole, why don't you walk us through that race? What was going on in your head?
I'm just here because I don't want to get fined, so.
Alright.
Alright, big dog.
Just a Slano, lucky number 5.
To me, it wasn't a race. You know, it sucked. So, thank you.
Y'all ready to eat, man?
Yeah, man, we got here in your house.
I'm hungry. Let's get it.
That's what I got Twitter for. Instagram, I'm back, yo. Like flex on you haters. Hi haters. This is my world, so it's all in my favor. I like all girls, yeah, all type of flavors. But that don't matter, cause I just got my baby.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. We're finna go ahead and outro this video.
Hey, man, peace out, Chris.
See y'all later. It's been a lit race. We'll catch y'all at the next one.
I'm a lover till the love is done. Look at girl, she ain't try to run. Hit from the back so her legs get numb. Hit from the back so long that my own legs don't end get numb. Sucking me up, give me brain, now she dumb. Tell her it's repercussions. Play her just like a drum.
Okay, well, somebody's head talk.
all like the high school officials and stuff. Like I've gotten DQ'd by them so many times. It's like, dude, I pulled out guys like this. I went to sign in without my jersey on. He's like, hey, what you doing with that bird chest out? Hey, get this man out of here. You exposed me. I'm like,
How'd that make you feel?
I was really sad. Oh, crap.
How many times does that happen?
Quite often.
Quite often?
By quite often, I mean it only happened like twice throughout my high school
Okay.
career. But Austin. All I see is that bird chest. Boy, you better get out of here.
Did you get DQ'd?
I mean, I got DQ'd more than twice.